everybody? Welcome back to the channel. It's your girl Veronica and I am back with another video. You guys, if you have not subscribed to the channel, girl, what are you waiting on? Hit that red subscribe button and become a part of my family. And if you are returning back to the channel, thank you guys for returning, and let's get into the video. If you don't know, I've been on a juicing journey, y'all, trying to detoxify my body and trying to lose some weight. So I have a go-to juice that I juice every single day that helps me kickstart my weight loss and also helps me detoxify the body. So this juice contains 6 ingredients, y'all. I have pineapple, cucumber, lemon, apple, ginger, and some spinach. That's what we're going to be juicing today. So let's go ahead and get our fruits and our vegetables cut up and juiced. Okay, you guys, this is the juicer that I have today, and I purchased this juicer from Walmart, y'all. This is the only juicer that I have right now because I'm a beginner. I want to try out something that was very inexpensive to start my juicing journey. So this is the juicer that I picked up from Walmart. It was only, I think, roughly around $35. That's how much it was on the site, y'all. So this is the juicer that I have, and I'm just going to be using this to catch my juice in. So let's get started. First things first, we're going to go ahead and cut up our pineapple. So I like to chop the head off of it. I got this bowl here. I'm going to be throwing my waste into the bowl so that it will make the cleaning process even much better. So let's just go ahead and cut up the pineapple, y'all.
Take a look inside your heart. Is there any room for me? I won't have to hold my breath till you get down on one knee, because you only want to hold me when I'm looking good enough. Did you ever fool me? Would you ever picture us? Every time I pull my hair, was me out of fear. You'll find me ugly and one day you'll disappear, cause what's the point of crying it?
Okay, so let's go ahead and start the juicer. We're going to go ahead and juice the pineapple. He doesn't see us. You're not looking at me, boy. Good boy's a liar. Good boy's a liar. He doesn't see us. You're not looking at me, to the side, and now we're just gonna cut up our cucumbers. And y'all, cucumbers is also a diuretic also, and it's good for detoxifying the body.
Send me a pen, look at my shit cause you know what I'm on. But when you hit me, I'm not gonna respond. But I don't sleep enough without you, and I can't eat enough without you. If you don't speak, does that mean we're through? Don't like sneaky shit that you do.
Reduce inflammation and hydrate your skin. So let's go ahead and juice your cucumber. Good enough. hydrate you. And I will have a couple of benefits of the lemons on the screen as well. So let's go ahead and juice our lemon. Okay, next we have ginger. I'm just gonna go ahead and put the ginger in there whole. I don't like a lot of ginger. Ginger is great for your immune system as well, you guys, but I don't like a lot of ginger in my juice because it turns your juice spicy. But I do like to incorporate some in just so that I can get that those nutrients from the ginger. Okay, y'all, so the next thing we're gonna juice is our apples. I already cut the apples up off camera, so let's go ahead and juice our apples. And I will have the health benefits of apples on the screen as well. Such as vitamin A, C, and K. It is great for your heart health, for bone health. You guys, spinach is amazing for digestive issues, weight management. So that's why I go to spinach for my green, to make sure my juice is green, y'all. I try to put spinach in every single juice that I juice from now on because this is a great health benefit. So I will leave on the screen all of the amazing benefits of spinach. So let's go ahead and juice our spinach. And that's how I make my green juice, y'all. So I'm just gonna go ahead and pour me up some. Tastes delicious. So thank you guys so much for staying tuned to the end. I hope you guys take some of these ingredients and incorporate it into your juice on your juicing journey. Leave me a comment down below and let me know which ingredient that you like the most, and also tell me what type of ingredients that you put in your juices. So until next time, bye for now. Happy healthy living.